Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, my name is Ala. I'm from Russia, and I want to make a review on Andalus Institute program, which is called Arabic Like an Arab. So, just want to say that it was the best decision of my last year to finally get access to this program, because it just significantly, rapidly increased my comprehension, understanding of Arabic language. And well, of course, I'm not fluent now. I can't say that I can say whatever I want. No. But you need to understand that I started from zero, like literal zero. I started from the bottom, okay? And I didn't know how to read, how to spell letters. I always confused them. I didn't know even basic expressions. And now, after approximately 8 months of studying in this institute, in this with this course, I do know how to read. Yes, slowly, yes, sometimes incorrectly, but I do read. And I know those basic expressions. And moreover, what is most important for me is that I can have conversations with my Arabic friends. I can talk about daily things with them. For example, أريد أن تفاح, right? I want an apple. Or أنا لا أفهم لماذا أنت ذهبت هناك. Okay. For example, I know it might seem very easy, but for me, as a person who started from the zero, it's just a great achievement, and I'm very, very grateful to this program, to Andalus Institute. So what else? I also can watch videos and sometimes even read books and understand the main idea, the main concept, right? The main topic. And when you understand it, when you catch these words that you already know, it makes you so happy, because when you gain all these fruits after being studying the lessons, it's just the best motivation for you. And another thing that I want to mention is sisterhood. We have every week we have conversations in Zoom with sisters, and these are practical lessons which push you to use your Arabic, even though you don't know how to say something. Sometimes it's really very funny, because you want to express yourself in English, but you can't, so everybody says, no, you need to speak Arabic here. And well, but such this push, it helps a lot, because if you study Arabic, even in the most difficult situations, you need to express yourself in Arabic when you talk in this language. So no English. And actually, I want to say, to express my gratitude to every sister there, because they help me a lot. I'm obviously not the best student in the class. I speak very slowly, I speak incorrectly, but everyone helps me, and they help me not only with Arabic questions, but with Islamic ones as well, because I don't know a lot, so I really need help. So really, thank you so much. And well, at the end, I just want again, genuinely, sincerely say thank you to Andalus Institute, actually to everyone who contributed into development of this program, because personally, to me, it helped a lot. And I hope that this review was helpful to someone, and that you will make a good decision as well when you will search for, when you will choose among Arabic courses. So that's it. Again, Andalus Institute, thank you very much, and I wish you the best. Jazakallahu khairan. Thank you.